We are at a appliance store right now, choosing some appliances, of course. We needed some microwave, oven, washer dryer, dishwasher, and a fridge. So that's what we're looking at. We have 5,500 budget. So we'll see if that will make up with all the appliances that we need here. I'm going to show you around what we picked for our budget. So for the budget that we have, these are the appliances that we chose. So this is the washer dryer. Another cool feature about this is it comes with a Wi-Fi. This is the stove. This is the dishwasher. Comes with a third rack. And this is our fridge. And so, for the $5,500 budget, that's all we have. And they are all Samsung. That's it. We're pretty much done here, and yeah, we're pretty excited.
Hey, oh, I can't